Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to reset Philips Sonicare toothbrush. First, take your Philips Sonicare toothbrush and place it onto the charging base. Make sure the charger is plugged into a working power outlet. The handle should sit properly on the charger before you begin. Now that the toothbrush is on the charger, you can start the reset steps. Press and hold the power button. On some Philips Sonicare models, you will also need to press and hold the mode button at the same time. Keep holding the button or buttons without releasing them. After about 4 to 20 seconds, depending on your model, you will hear beeping sounds or see the lights on the handle start to flash. This signal shows that the reset process has started. Once you hear the beeps or see the flashing lights, release the button or buttons. This confirms that the basic reset has been completed. In many cases, this simple reset is enough to fix common problems like the toothbrush not responding or acting strangely. If you are using an advanced Philips Sonicare model and need a full factory reset, keep the toothbrush on the charger. Press and hold the mode button. While holding the mode button, press the power button 10 times. After the 10th press, release both buttons. Next, press and hold the mode button again. While holding it, press the power button 6 times. If done correctly, you will hear 3 beeps and see the lights blink. This confirms that the factory reset is successful. Thanks for watching.